Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to Brunei. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when it comes to apply tourist visa for any country, the very first thing we need to check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration and purpose, we may or may not need a visa. So, and when you check the requirements and when you decide to apply, you should always check the process as per your local embassy, consulate, or mission of that country that covers the region where you are living, because based on your locality, or I should say region, there could be additional requirements, additional steps, etc. So suppose you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So for you, I have opened High Commission of Brunei Darul Salam in New Delhi, India. They have a link for consular services where you can go. Okay, yeah, thank God. So, so now here, if you come down, they have the information based on country, nationality, that do you really need a visa or not. So let's say you are an Indian citizen. So you can get like this is the list of countries those who have visa arrangement. So that means if you are an Indian, you can get up, you can stay for 14 days there without visa, but only if you have the diplomatic and official passport. Otherwise, you need to apply. Okay. So how you will apply? So if you have like diplomatic passport, you don't need to worry about. But if you don't have, then you need to follow these steps. You need to fill up visa application form. You need your passport, your copy of your passport, invitation from sponsor or statutory declaration. Okay, fine. Two recent passports as photograph, blue or white background, a copy of confirmed travel itinerary, proof of accommodation, hotels or etc. whatever. And then marriage certificate if applicable, spouse passport if applicable, birth certificate if of children if applicable, copy of sponsor ID card, latest passport. Okay, fine. So some of these are applicable, some of these are not. A copy of bank statement, yes, so that you can prove, yeah, that you have it. So once you have it, how you are gonna do it? So they have given the submission time, visa fee also they have given. Wow, single entry only 1,000 rupees. That's not too much. Processing time for 5 working days. Okay, all right. Wow, I thought. Okay, let me see if I can get it somewhere else. Guys, so I found other way to get this form because when I'm clicking it, I will not found. So if I go for country category visa application requirements, this is gonna come up eventually. So have some patience. Okay. Here, their Ministry of Foreign Affairs site. Here you have this option. Okay. I think I need to zoom out. Oh yeah. Photograph, block letter, full name in Chinese character if applicable. Okay. Present nationality, former national if applicable, marital status, gender, home address, occupation, passport information, contact address in Brunei, anyone accompanying you, details. If you have been refused entry or deported, convicted in a court of law in any country, declaration, date sign. So very simple form, just one page form, and that's how it was, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.